Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Roth IRA with Vanguard app for beginners, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Vanguard app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app on your mobile device. If you already have a Vanguard account, select the login option. If you're a new user, tap on Get Started to create an account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your employment details and income information as requested. After that, create a username and password for your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your new credentials. From the app's main screen, navigate to the Accounts section. Select the option to open a new account. You will see various account types. Choose Roth IRA. Review the eligibility criteria. Fill out the required forms, including your investment goals. Indicate your contribution amount for the year, keeping in mind the annual limits. You may be required to answer a few questions about your investment experience. After completing the forms, review the account details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your application for the Roth IRA. You'll receive a confirmation message once your application is approved. The app may prompt you to link your bank account for funding. Follow the steps to securely link your bank account. After your account is funded, explore investment options within the app. Consider diversified options such as mutual funds or ETFs suitable for your goals. Make your selections and go through the investment allocation process. Review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance. Once satisfied, finalize your investment selections to complete the process. You'll receive notifications regarding your account activity and performance updates. Enjoy managing your Roth IRA with the Vanguard app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.